Well, I'm adventuring on the wild side for this trip and riding on a prayer because I'm taking both kids, Liam and Mila, on a camping trip up north. We're leaving now. We got about a 2.5 hour ETA. The reset starts now.
Can I say hi? Hi. Say hi. You're not on the Mila.
Well, I'm beginning to think that if I skipped probably 3 weekends of camping, I'd probably have enough money to take both these kids to Disneyland with these gas prices. Man. Yep, that hurts. And that frequently happens on this trip along this stretch of road is brush fires. It's 115 degrees outside right now. And every time I make this trip in the summertime, there's a handful of times this happens where we get stuck and there's no telling how long we're gonna be here because of a fire. It's either a car fire or a car fire that started a brush fire or just a brush fire, but we'll see.
So that could be going on. You're just north of Rye?
Roger that, just north of Rye, about 1 mile out of Rye. So what winds up happening in these situations is people park and we wind up just pulling out our lawn chairs in the middle of the highway.
Please. To get out. Yeah. Milo? Let's do it. 3, 2, 1.
If it was what?
Like a chlorine tanker.
Oh. Oh, wow.
Is that a fighter jet?
Shut it out already.
You even attacked me.
Keep your eyes.
Well, we just got told that it's probably going to be another 6 hours here camped along the highway with everybody else. So we're making the best of it. Got the camp chairs out and yeah, we're just going to go from there, I guess. Well, we're back home. We sat there in that standstill for 4 hours, and the authorities finally came up to us and told all of us, all the cars, there was probably 100 cars, to turn around. And it was a big gas tanker that got into a car accident or an accident and started a big brush fire, as you can see, and subsequently it melted the asphalt and destroyed the roadway. So but we're not giving up. We're gonna get up early in the morning and try this again and go a different route, but in the meantime we are going to bed because Pop is tired. It's midnight. That was a 7-hour journey. Liam's still awake. Hey.
Hey.
We're gonna try this again tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's been 5 hours. We all got about 4 hours of sleep. And we're trying it again. Liam, are you ready?
Yeah. It's probably gonna be a really long drive, guys.
Hopefully we make it this time. The reset starts now.
She's laughing so hard that she can't breathe.
Well, we made it. Finally, right? Are you excited?
Yeah. So I told Daddy that there was the moon was really close to the sun up there, and it looked like the sun was gonna burn the moon, and then the moon would like fly our way.
That would get a lot of clicks on the video, huh?
Yeah, because I saw it, and like the moon was really close to the sun, closer than it's ever been.
Wow. There you go. Let's start setting up.
Wait, why do you only have one?
That's even better than the last.
Yeah, buddy.
I burned it a little bit. That's what makes it taste good.
I agree. You guys happy?
Yeah.
Did you have a good trip?
Yeah. And these are my new jammies, and this is Mila's new jammies, right, Mila?
Liam, tell me about those juicy birds. Liam says there's some juicy birds out there. Liam is dying to go on our hunting trip in a couple weeks.
Can I go show them?
Hold on. Tell us, why do they look so juicy?
Because they were getting pollen, and they are so big.
And what would you do if you got one?
I would shout hooray, and I would tell you to take all the intestines out so I could eat it.
Yeah.
Daddy, smell my sock.
Why do you want me to smell your sock?
No, smell it just very quick. Can I show them?
Ew, stinky!
Now, can I just show them the birds?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so out this window is the birds. Probably gonna be a bunch of flies that are getting in. But out this window, I don't know if you could see, but there's a bunch of birds out here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, there's been a bunch of birds. There's all the cars, Honda, Elantra, I think. And there's, okay, up, somebody's up. Look.
Are you guys ready to go?
Yeah.
We have a good trip?
Yeah.
All right, let's hit the road.
I want to tell them something.
Let's hit the road.
No, what I want to tell them is that when we get home, I'm going to play my card game and we can make a video of it and you guys love it. I want to tell them something
What?
too. I like my Dolly baby, my tractor. And also it's so clean, but my eye is so rubbery.
Yeah. Well, we're all packed up and ready to go. Another dirt road reset in the books. These kids are so dirty. I've got to get them in a bath ASAP. Mila's literally got dirt in her eyes, and we got to get that fixed. Listen, if you or someone you know is suffering from anything that's racking the mind, depression, anxiety, PTSD, addiction, postpartum, you name it, anything. There's a whole gamut of things that could be going on. First and foremost, break the stigma. Second, get the help. Don't be afraid or ashamed to get the professional help that you and your loved ones deserve. But above all, get outside, explore nature, and find your dirt road to reset. We'll see you, friends.